Hello friend, my name is DHIMAS. I am from Polytechnic Negeri Malang. I will be presented about instrumentation and accessories of power transformer that primary voltage are 20, 60 and 150 kV. Next, I will be share screen the presentation. The first is definition. A power transformer is a static electricity device that functions to distribute alternating current, electric power from low voltage to high voltage or otherwise at a constant frequency. Use a transformer in power system. Voltage can be adjusted according to needs. Next, transformers can be divided according to function or use, such as the first is machine transformers in generator. The second is substation transformers, and the number three is distribution transformers. Next, the second, instrumentation and accessories. A, main section. In number one is iron core. Serves to facilitate the path of flux, which is caused by an electric current that drops the coil made from the thin insulated iron plate to reduce heat as iron losses generated by eddy current. Number two is transformers coil. Are several thrones of insulated wire that form a coil. Coil consists of a primary coil and a secondary coil, which are well insulated against iron core, as well as between coil with solid insulation such as cardboard, foil, and others. The number three is transformer oil. Most of the coil and cores the power transformers are immersed in oil transformers, especially large capacity power transformers, because transformers oil has properties as an insulation and transfer medium. So that the transformers oil serves as a cooling and insulation medium. The number four is buzzing. The relationship between the transformers coil to the outside network drop. A buzzing is a conductor enveloped by an insulator, which also function as an insulation between the conductor and the transformer's tank. Next, the number B is auxiliary equipment. Number one is conservatory tank. In general, the parts of the transformers that are submerged in transformer oil are located in the place in the tank to accommodate the expansion of transformer oil tanks equipment with a conservator. Number two is step changer. Is up to change the transformation ratio to get secondary operating voltage, which is better desired than the grid or primary voltage vaguely. Number three is respirator or silicagel. Mid outsider air will reduce the value of breakdown voltage of transformers oil. So to prevent this, at the end, the outside iron connection pipe is equipped with a brenting apparatus in the form of a tube containing hygroscopic substance crystal. Number 4 is indicator. To monitor while the transformers is operating, it is necessary to have an indicator on the transformer as follow. A is oil temperature indicator. B is oil level indicator. C cooling system indicator. D tap position indicator. E and so on. Next, protection equipment. The number one in protection equipment is relay buckles. Relay buckles is a tools or relay for detecting and securing against interference transformer that generates gas. Number two is overpressure protection or explosion membrane or pressure elephant. The tools is a membrane made of glass, plastic, copper, or spring-loaded valve. Serve a safety transformer tank against rising gas pressure rise in the tank, which will break at certain pressures, and its strength is lower than transformer tank power. Number 3 is overpressure relay or sudden pressure relay. This relay function almost the same as the buckles relay, namely protection against fault in the transformers. The difference is the relay only work by increment sudden and immediate pressure of gas dropping PMT. Next slide. Number 4 is differential relay. Serves to separate the transformer from disturbance in the transformer between otherwise. Plus over between a coil or coil with tank or winding inside the coil or different coil. Number 5 is overcurrent relay. Serve to secure the transformers from current that exit and from current that have been allowed to pass from the transformer, and this overcurrent can occur by due the overload of short circuit fault. Number 6 is ground tank relay. Serves to secure the transformers when there is a short circuit between parts voltage with the non-voltage part of the transformer. Number 7 is ground connection relay. Serves to secure the transformer in the event of a single pass to ground fault. Number 8 is thermic relay. Serves to prevent or secure the transformers from insulation damage coil due to the heat generated by the overcurrent. The magnitude measured in this relay is the temperature rise. Next slide. Point D, transformers high voltage site safety and measurement. The number 1 is lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor is the key in coordinating the isolation of a system power supply to protect distribution transformers, especially in pair outside of the over voltage due to lighting source. If there is surge of lightning, then 16 arrestor function to release an electric charge to the grounding system, as well as reduce the overvoltage that will hit the equipment in the substation. Number 2 is circuit breaker, CB or PMT. CB is a tool that can open or close the circuit either under normal working condition or in the event of a failure. In working conditional, normal CB can be operated manually or by using remote control. On the other hand, in the event of a CB failure, it will work automatically. On the CB is equipped with media to extinguish the arc, such as with air, gas, oil, and so on. The number 3 is disconnecting switch or DS. DS function to separate electrical circuit in a unloaded state. In the general, DS cannot cut the current, or can decide small current in opening or closing the DC. The DS must be done after open CB first, in the order to ensure that the operation sequence error does not occur. Then there must be an interlocking stage between the CB and DS. In the control circuit, the interlock circuit will prevent DS work when CB is still closed. Next slide. The number 4 is fuse cutout or CO. As a safety feature, if it happens disturbance in substation transformers and localized fault in transformers, the equipment is not DHIMAS. CO is installed on the voltage side medium or 20 kV. The number 5 is current transformers or CT. Current transformers is an electrical device that function reduce a large current to smaller current. CT used because it is not possible to measure the current directly on the load current or fault current. This is because the current is very large and very high voltage. The number 6 is voltage transformers. A voltage or potential transformers is a device that transforms a higher system voltage to a lower system voltage, lower from indicator equipment, measuring instruments or meter and relay. Next slide. And the finally is cubicle. 20 kV cubicle is a set of electrical equipment installed in distribution substation as well as the main that function as divider, breaker, controller, liaison, and 20 kV. Power supply system protection and 20 kV power supply system protection. The type of cubicle are: A is circuit breaker or PMT, B PMS cubicle separators, C LBS cubicle, D cubicle CB out metering, E Type transformers protection cubicle, F cubical PT or potential transformers, and G cubical B1 outgoing terminal. Next slide. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye. Attention.